Okay, let's check the installation of powerlevel9k. Uh, how to install the powerlevel? Mm, I have installed it through the command of power level 9k. Okay, use this command git clone. Git clone through this command. This command git clone 2. From this command, git clone https git from the git the repository to the destination folder, destination directory. In the home directory .o-my zsh customer themes power level. From this command can install the power level. Okay, here. And the important point is to git clone to the destination folder, and how to use this powerlevel 9k. We can set the theme to the ish underscore theme to this to use this theme. Okay, new line, next line, zsh means the line of 17 line. ZS set the sh theme. Okay, this video just described how to utilize the theme, the ZSH theme power level 9k.